Bench. Noun. A long seat with or without a back, found for example in parks and schools. They sat on a park bench and tossed bread crumbs to the ducks and pigeons. Bench. Noun. The dignity of holding an official seat. The bench of bishops, the civic bench. Bench. Noun. A place where assembly or handwork is performed, a workbench. She placed the workpiece on the bench, inspected it closely, and opened the cover. Bench. Noun. A flat ledge in the slope of an earthwork, work of masonry, or similar. Bench. Noun. A collection or group of dogs exhibited to the public, traditionally on benches or raised platforms. Bench. Verb. To furnish with benches. Bench. Verb. To place on a bench or seat of honor. Bench. Verb. To lift by bench pressing. I heard he can bench 150 pounds. Bench. Verb. Alternative spelling of bench. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.